Beautifully appointed clubhouse with high ceilings, architectural details, and inviting party spaces. Has a full kitchen, outdoor fireplace and seating area adjacent. The spacious community lanai overlooks the beautiful lake and Florida landscape, heated by the outdoor fireplace on those coolish Florida winter nights. Relax away your cares in the humongous zero-edge entry walk-in pool. Get some shade in a cabana or under the pergola overlooking the pool. Swim a lap, or just relax, it's up to you. Don't want to submerge in the pool? No problem, just go for a splash instead. Into the gym? Lake Lucaya Club has you covered.